Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to deliver an order on Fiverr. So if you have any ongoing or active orders, you'll just have to click here and you'll also see your completed and canceled orders. So Fiverr actually has instructions on how to deliver an order. So before you complete your order, you must deliver it to your buyer. And to deliver your order, number one, you need to log in, go to orders and view all your orders. Second, on the orders page, either click deliver your order or scroll down and click deliver now. You can also go to the order you'd like to deliver and click deliver now. And note that you can also access your orders through emails or notifications. 3 is click upload work and attach your delivery. Note that the single file is limited to up to 5 gigabytes. If you don't deliver a file, you'll be prompted to confirm that no file is attached. And last is under describe your delivery in detail, write a brief description of your delivery and go to deliver work. And if you're not ready to deliver, you can click save draft and save the work you have already completed. When you're ready, reopen this delivery and deliver your work. And here, once your order is marked as completed, the completed order will be processed for payment. Your order status will change to completed as soon as your buyer accepts your delivery. If your buyer neither accepts nor rejects your order, it's automatically marked as completed 3 days after the delivery's due date. So below here, you could also see what to do if a buyer isn't satisfied with the delivery. You could modify your work, extend review time, and troubleshoot file attachments or technical errors. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you on the next one.